Okay. Oh, okay. Sanibonani, igama lami nguNandipha Sefoloko. I'm doing this live because I think sengithule kakhulu and lento isi out of control manje. The reason why ngiya live or the reason why ngize ngidecide ukuthi ngikhulume ukuthi what's going on in my previous marriage is because nginabantwana, number one, number two, angifisi ukuthi one day or nje angifuni behlukumezeke ngenxa ye divorce sidlula kuyona, but ngenza le life manje ngoba my ex uMthokozi Ndaba keeps on posting izinto engekho on my socials right now nje. I don't know how many times I had to delete ama-post ami. Yes, ama-logins ngamnika ngesikhathi kumnandi, of which I regret. So now, like, I thought ukuthi yonke into izohamba smooth. Bengafuna ukuposta, bengafuna ukwenza lutho, bengafuna ukukhuluma nge-relationship yami because I've got kids, yabo. In my defense, ngiprotecta bona. But right now, it breaks my heart ukuthi umuntu efike ekuhlukumeze enze zonke izinto azenzile kumina, of which bengaze ngifise futhi nakhona ukuthi ngidisclose publicly. Ngitshena abantu ukuthi kwenzakaleni kwe-relationship yethu, but lo muntu lo that I trusted, that I loved, that I gave my life to, angisho kanjalo, udecide ukuthi engihlukumeze, engaqedi lapho, noma sengithula, noma sengimprotecta. Every time abantu bebuza ukuthi hawukwenzakalani, ngisho ukuthi I know uthando luphelile nani, ngingafuni ukusho the main reasons why ngithe ngiyahamba. Yes, he's the one who filed for a divorce because I asked him to. But yabona manje sekufike ekugcineni because uyabona ukuthi move on with my life. Uyabona ukuthi ngiyaqhubeka ngiyayisebenzela, impilo iyaqhubeka even after ama bruises that I still have namanje, that I still have. I don't know what's kanjani. Right now, I'm not umuntu osebenzisa cream nani, but I'm trying to make ama marks, ama bruises disappear. I'm gonna post my emails, I'm gonna post yonke into ezenzekile between us. Even namanje mabe post okoqala, I had to go to Amalokhunja. I had to go to Instagram yakhe and ask him ukuthi besicela uye kungihlukumeza, cela uye ukuposta, cela uye yonke lento yenzayo. But shuthi uvele wabona ukuthi sengibonile, and then he kept on posting. Namanje uyapost. So I don't know ukuthi ngenze njani because enye into angifisi ukuthi ejele, but ngifisa ukuthi ebe right mentally, so that ezokwazi ukuthi ebe ubaba enganeni zakhe, because iy'ngane zakhe ziyamdinga, iy'ngane zakhe zisamthanda, iy'ngane zakhe zisafuna, zisadinga ubaba. But lento eyenzayo yangihlukumeza, lento eyenzayo ayikho sharp, and angisiyena umuntu, like, I don't know how long it took me ukuthi ngiye live because angikwazi nami ukuthi kuyiwa kanjani life. No, angisimina obhalile ukuthi ngichithile, angikaze ngachitha namuntu, angikaze ngachitha namuntu. Lo ngaqala, I've been loyal, but yena udliwe, I don't know ukuthi udliwa yini, and I don't care at this point, anginendaba. But I do want him ukuthi ebe right for isake yabantwana bami, because ekugcineni bamdinga ubaba wabo. And nama I'm tired, I'm exhausted. Sengifike ekugcineni ngithi ngihlela ngikwazi nokuhlela ngaphandle because I know ukuthi engathi sure at any time yabo angikwazi nanokuphuma because I know ukuthi yabo nje la ngasekhaya it's very sad ukuthi mina ngikazi ngibe umuntu olwayo in public but nje Friday I had to call amaphoyisa so that he can bring ingane akekho right mentally. Saturday wafika engilwisa ngihlele ekhaya kodwa umuntu ngilwisa ekhaya for what reason I don't know, but into engayithandi ukuthi ethathe into engiyisebenzele kanzima kanje i-career yami eyenze lento ayenzayo. Angiyithandi lento honestly yabo mfethu, ungadlala ngami in privately njengoba kwenzekile ngayithulela ngaqhubeka move on in life, but manje mabe usuthatha lento le uyenza lento ayenzayo akukho sharp. And sadly I'll have to post my email, sadly I have to post bruises ami ama conversation of which angifisa ukuyenza, but mfethu i-wrong. No, akusimina Nkosi yami obhalile ukuthi ngishithela, ngikazi ngachitha namuntu. He's the one who's been cheating, but then I don't know ukuthi bengiyisilima kanjani ngiqhubeke ngihlala kunjalo. Awanje mfethu ayikho into ebuhlungu njengokuthi uhlale nomuntu ekuchithela, you know ukuthi uyachitha, ekuhlambalaze ekuchithele nomuntu oseduzane very very close to you, uqhubeke. But uma sesebona ukuthi wena awu-react or awumnikezi lento le ayidingayo, mase decide ukuthi you know what, sengingena endukwini ke manje, sengiyashawa ke manje. Bese umuntu yazi I remember I went to umamncane wami ngelinye ilanga ohlala eGoli, mamncane Zara, ngikhala nganothi ngizenzeni, ngishawe mfethu ngensimbi, and uma bethi uyabuza ukuthi ushawelani, ayikho reason. Ngishayelwe ukuthi okay we're in agreement, okay kuphelile, sure it's fine. So sihleli for abantwana nje endlini, we're not dating anymore, but why would you want sex nami we're not dating anymore? Yabo lento leyo. So mina sengishayelwa ukuthi angisafuni ukwenza sex, so manje kufanele ngiphoqeleke ukuthi ngenze sex. Ethu angeke ngithi in our relationships, uma kwi-relationship yethu ngihlukumezile throughout, cha, angeke ngiqamba amanga. Ungiphathele kahle, saba happy for a very long time shem. Yes, cheating ibiyenzeka lapho nalapho, ngixole ngidlule, but into engihlulile ukuthi mfethu ngishawe for no reason. Yabona mfethu, I understand ukuthi umuntu ekushayele for ilokho nje, but you can't always ungishayela for sex singasathandani. Why would you want to have sex nami ungasangithandi? Because clearly awukwazi ungihlukumeza ungi-embarrass kanje knowing very well ukuthi usangithanda or you still want to be with me. But manje sengiphoqele ukuthi ngilale nawe ungangithandi. Awukwazi ukuyenza lento leyo. If ufuna ukuthi sibe ne-relationship, mfethu ngitreat ngendlela right, yabo. And worst part, I promised, I changed igama lami, yabo. Even manje mangibuya call shit, sometimes ngiba angry at myself. I-call shit yakuzala ibhala ukuthi nandi phandaphi. I-relationship yethu ilokhonja i-divorce yethu is not final. And wafonela wathi sengifayilile nani okay. Ngalokhu nje ngathi okay ngilinda amalokhu nje amaphepha akaze efike akaze ngabizwa anyway, but into ebhlungu ukuthi in as much as ngilindile lokho, I know a process ithatha isikhathi eside, but why kufanele ungi-abuse in a process? Why fanele mina ngiphile impilo efuna wena kuleyo lokho njalo? Why fanele ungidelezele? Yazi mfethu, last year the day ngithi mina I'm leaving you, afonela i-mentor yami wakhuluma, yabo umuntu mabe ethatha i-conversation yenu e-right eshintsha eyenze ngathi wena unomona owena uzonda umuntu, wamosha relationship yami with my mentor, wamoshela umuntu that I trust, that I love, wamoshela umuntu bengisebenzisana naye kakhulu. Wabhala izinto wathi washo yonke into, wangimoshela emsebenzini la azi kahle khona ukuthi last year besiphila ngawo lo msebenzi. He knew very well ukuthi ngibhalile, I wrote ilokho nje with usizo olukhulu with usisiboni Sithebe, but then wabona ukuthi because it's about umuntu osifazana ohlukumezekayo, wabona ukuthi ngibhala ngathi, wabona ukuthi okay, you know what, ngizomdestroya. Wamosha i-relationship yami nesisiboni, wamosha i-relationship yami with usisikhanyo. Thankfully wahluleka, but the fact that wakwazi ukuthi athi bonke abantu, he even went as far as ukuthatha, right now I'm not in a good space with umamncane wami because he lied. Wangimosha, wakhuluma, washo yonke into, wathi mina izinto engishilo, washo izinto so that I won't have to go, I'll have nowhere to go. Wathi mina ngisho izinto ezimbi ngumndeni wami, wazisho izinto azakhayo yena ekhanda lakhe, wayikhuluma so that I'll have no one to turn to. Yo mfethu, na angifuna amanga, ngihlukumezekile, and I'm not saying ukuthi ngahlukumezeka kudala, no. Ngihlukumezekile from last year after I came elokhunjeni eDurban ngayoshoot movie. When I went back endlini izinto abanga-right, waqala wangihlukumeza ngomlomo, kwahamba kwabe induku, kwahamba kwabo destroying my relationship with my families, destroying my relationship with my co-workers ami. Yo, ngamiyeka ngathula, I moved on. Luckily umndeni wami welcomed me ngezandla zombili, but then clearly there was ilokhonja izinto that I said. Yazi umuntu mabe ekhuluma izinto noma ngabe kuthiwa awuthani kanjani uyibeliever, and he's very convincing, Sham, very convincing.